Itura ria Torosei Kajiado ya ithũĩro turacemania na Martha Kilonga raini-inĩ akimatha motungata ma ũrigitani maria matwarĩtwo hakuhĩ na kwao nĩ kanitha ũmwe kuma Amerika. Aikari itura rĩrĩ makoretwo makĩoha thabarĩ ya kilomita 60 ya gwetha motungata ma ũrigitani.
Ilikuwa Alhamisi tarehe 1. Kasikia tumbo usiku. Kajaribu kuita pikipiki ikachelewa. Nikaenda miguu. Nikajifungua hapo njiani.
Wengi wanasalia nyumbani, wana bleed, wanakosa usaidizi nyumbani.
Matibabu yao wanapata huko mbali sababu wanaenda huko referral huko Kajiado Referral Hospital, na hapa Torosei hakuna hospitali kama hiyo, so hawapati matibabu kamili.
Unabeba na pikipiki, anaingia hapo katikati, mtu mwingine anashikilia hapo nyuma. So uenda kama huwa tunalipisha mtu mmoja 2500, watu wawili tunalipisha 5000. Ndio tuweze kufikisha pale hospitalini either Bisil ama Kajiado.
Kuringana na arigitani, arwaru makinyaga thibitari maria hatĩrĩrie nĩ ndwari nĩ ũndũ wa gũikara ihinda iraya mangĩkamũkĩra ũrigitani, makiuga to mũthĩ arwaru 250 no matungatĩirwo na angĩ 200 mekũinũka matateithĩkĩte na mĩrimũ ĩngĩ ndĩngĩrigitĩrwo gũkũ.
We are trying as much as we can to reach out to the community to have preventive care, as we know that prevention is much better than trying to handle the advanced or trying to cure the advanced conditions.
We can't even meet all the needs that are here. We could be here for a week and not meet all the needs that are here medically for the people. There's things that they need to go to a clinic or to a hospital to address, and we try to recommend them to get there, but it's just difficult. The roads are difficult, the travel's difficult, and the cost is expensive.
Many situations where if they had access to medical care several months or even years ago, it could have been treated or prevented.
Mwĩhoko wao nĩ atĩ ihinda-inĩ rĩa ciumia 2 iria magũkorwo makĩheana motungata, aikari nĩ mekuona umithio. Kuma Kajiado ya ithũĩro, gĩkundi gĩkĩ gĩgũtwara motungata mao Maraba, Nkito na Ngetek, Kajiado ya gatagatĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.